gonna teach you how to set up Google Optimize so easily and so fast. So first of all, you have to click on Get Started, and all right, so I don't want get any emails. I will choose no. If you want to get any emails, you can choose yes. So let's go to next section. You have to accept all these and change your country if you want to, and done. All right, so now you just created your dashboard, but in order to activate it, you have to use Google Tag Manager. So here I will click on setting, and you have to copy this ID. I'll go to actually Tag Manager. If you don't have any idea how to use Google Tag Manager, make sure to subscribe my channel because I'm gonna create many videos on that. So I will create new tag here. I will click on tag configuration, and here you can see Google Optimize. So we will paste the code here, the one we copied here, and we paste it here. You don't have to change any settings here, but if you want to, you can. So next, for triggers, since I want to be activated on all of my website pages, I will I will choose all pages page view and save. That's all. You just activated your Google Optimize. One more thing you can do is, as you can see, it says link to Google Analytics. If you link it to your Universal or GA4, it will show your experiences over there too. So before that, make sure to create and set up Google Analytics with the same Gmail, and if you do that, you will see the account here. As you can see, I have some test account and it will show here. So I'll click on it and I can link it. So